Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix Barbie's broken neck. This method will work for people who want to keep all original parts of the doll, for example, if there's a lot of sentimental value involved. I got this doll lot at Goodwill for $2.99, but it is worth so much more to me. All because there's one doll that is exactly the same as the only Barbie I owned as a little girl. And they even share the same problem. My Barbie's neck got cracked and broken. I was inconsolable. It was such a tragedy for my 8-year-old self. Of course, my dad tried to fix it by gluing the head in place so my Barbie's neck became shorter and couldn't move anymore. It just wasn't the same. And I know times have changed and you can buy duplicates of virtually anything. But if you have that special doll and you love it so much, then you can fix it. This doll has her neck peg still inside her head, so the first step is to get it out. I dipped the bottom part of Barbie's head in hot water for a few minutes to soften it. Believe me, I tried skipping this step. It doesn't work. I used tweezers to pull out the neck peg. Luckily, the peg is intact and I set it in its place. Next, I will need an acrylic nail set that I bought at the supermarket. There's acrylic liquid, acrylic powder, and brush. We'll also need a glass jar for acrylic liquid. Warning! Make sure you wear a mask and do it in a well-ventilated room. Now, I dip my brush into acrylic liquid, then dip wet brush into acrylic powder and slowly apply it to the area missing plastic. Make sure it's not too runny and add a little bit at a time. After you covered the area, wait 2 or 3 minutes for it to harden a little. Then start wiggling the peg very slightly so it isn't fixed in place. Repeat that a couple more times in the next few minutes. After that, leave the doll to dry for the next hour. Once acrylic mixture is dry, it is pretty hard, so you can put that head back on, warming it up in hot water first. You don't want to damage that neck again, so be gentle and don't skip this step. And here's the end result. In my case, you can barely see the repaired part, but you can always paint the acrylic patch if it's more visible. I'm so happy I was able to save this doll, and I hope my video helps you save yours. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.